Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you another great new plugin that you'll want to take advantage of, especially if you're a cart reporter, and that is Formula to Graphic version 1.0. Let's take a look. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look at formulas. To get this plugin, I'm going to click on Plugins in my toolbar, or I can go to Plugins and then Manage Plugins. I'm going to click on Available, and for this one, I'm going to go down to Formula to Graphic. I'm going to click on this plugin and choose Download. I'll press OK once it's complete, and now I'm going to click it and enable it. Press OK, and I'll choose Yes to restart Eclipse. I'm going to choose my user. And the way that this plugin works is incredibly simple. Let's take a look at it. It does sound much more complicated than it actually ends up being. We see here that it adds a single macro, which is open curly bracket m:/formula to graphic -RT. And this macro is used to convert a formula into a graphic. And so what you can do is write the formulas as the teacher or instructor is verbalizing them and use all of the same words. And then you finalize it by writing your formula to graphic macro. And so to start, what you need is a stroke defined as the word formula in all caps followed by a colon and nothing else. No curly brackets are required. This is a trigger stroke, and it needs to be in your dictionary just like this. Next, you'll need a stroke defined as macro formula to graphic RT. And all you have to do is first write your formula colon stroke, and then write all of the words that go along with the mathematical expression. At the bottom of the plugin description, it tells you where you can find all of the acceptable words and modify them, and it also gives you a list of all of the default operators that are available. Now, this list is modifiable. If there's something that you need, it can be put in, and if you need any help doing that, just let us know. But let's take a look at how this works, and I think you're really going to like it. I'm going to select a note file that I've set up for this example, and I'm going to choose Virtual Real Time. I'm going to begin pushing strokes through, and the first thing you'll see is my formula stroke. And again, this is defined only as the word formula in all caps followed by a colon. No curly braces, no anything. So next, the expression is just going to be written in words. And then the macro to express it visually is struck. And so the macro is struck, and now the expression is visualized right within the document in a graphic image. And we see that this is actually just a regular graphic. Eclipse is rendering this, saving it, and inserting it into your document all at once and instantly. So let's look at another example. Going to push some strokes through. Formula, the words that express the formula, and then the trigger stroke to turn it into a visual representation. Let's look at one more. Formula, the words that go with the expression, and then the macro to trigger it and visualize it. This plugin is incredibly easy to begin using immediately, and if you do a lot of cart work, this may change the way you support your clients entirely. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that if you're a cart user, this new feature will be helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much and have a great day.